Hey everyone, welcome to Farnell stand at Embedded World 2026. Please come and visit our stand at Hall 3A, booth location 119. Here we are showing a lot of cool demos. Starting from here, we got different solutions from different suppliers talking about the Edge AI and IoT application. So here we have a demo from ADI to do the low power efficiency power supply design. Then we got from National Instruments, we are having LabVIEW and single board computers. And we have one demo running here for pharmaceuticals to detect the moisture level in a syringe to detect whether there's a moisture left in the syringe for inspection purposes. Then if we move on this side, we have Arduino. That's a new Arduino Uno Q, where we are running the facial recognition application. It detects your face and waves if it detects the face of a human body. Then we have the latest launch, which is Arduino Venture Uno Q. This is recently launched yesterday, and it's one of the most powerful development platform, single board computer from Arduino based on Qualcomm chip. Over here we have ST based working on STM32 MP2 series. This is actually running a facial recognition application and the posture detection. It runs a lot of AI models for real-time industrial application or automotive applications. Then we have Raspberry Pi. Here we are demonstrating the Raspberry Pi 5 and Halo-based AI hat for the Raspberry solution, doing the human presence detection and mapping out on the body. So for real-time applications to demonstrate all the cool AI applications you can have in a real-time based on Raspberry Pi. If you want to move to industrial, then we have a computer module 5, which you can transition from a prototype to a full-fledged industrial solution. And then we have a Computer Module 5 based development kit for get started with our industrial IoT gateway and all the solutions. Over here we have Toradex, a self-balancing robot, which is basically doing the human presence detection and balancing by itself, and it detects if you push it out, it does get upset. So it's kind of cool gimmick to have on the stand. So it's basically to show the real-time application, monitoring, capturing from the camera frame and processing it and respond based on the input it's receiving from the camera, and parallel is doing the self-balancing on the robotic control. So you can have a lot of cool applications based on Toradex, NXP, IMX family on different solutions. And then if we move on this side, so here we are presenting our Element 14 community, one of the biggest community for design engineers. We have more than 890,000 registered users on the community. On the stand, we are announcing 2 new design challenges and the road test. So please visit Element 14 community to explore more and register for the design challenges on our Element 14 community. With that, in addition to that, we do a lot of design challenges, road tests, webinars, and trainings happens on the community. So please visit, register yourself, be a part of the Element 14 community. On this side, we are giving away Renesas kit, which is based on newly launched RA0E3 microcontroller. It's a get starting for the low cost, low power solution based on Renesas. We are giving 300 plus dev kits. So please come visit our stand and grab your free early access dev kits from Renesas. And if we move on that side, on this side of the stand, we are running the hands-on workshop to support our DevKit HQ, which is a destination for all the single board computer development kits and evaluation platform. Here we are doing hourly sessions to get you started with your platform and connect to IoT Connect AWS solution up and running for your IoT and Edge AI applications. So we are having workshop running for Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ST, NXP, Infineon, and Microchip every day, hourly session. So come and visit to be part of the workshop we are having. Thanks for watching this, and please come to our stand, Farnell 3A119.